Mood. Oh, I like this movie too. Misery. Yo, the book.
What is it?
Oh, it's not that big.
Stephen King. That was amazing.
Look what it is. Childhood memories. Did we read this in 6th grade?
No.
Guess.
I wasn't in your 6th grade class.
I mean 7th grade?
No.
8th grade?
No.
Yes, we did.
I didn't know about John Green until The Fault in Our Stars when we were in high school.
Okay, so then I read this in 9th grade. I lied.
My childhood lit class.
Okay, this is memories.
Did you actually read that?
Did we not read this in class? Was it not assigned?
Like I said, the
Yeah, but
only
did we
book
not have reports on it and shit?
in middle school? No. I think you're talking about high school.
Okay, what about this?
No, I've never. The only book I ever read in high school was The Catcher in the Rye. That was it. We did The Outsiders.
Okay.
Stupid. I'm not gonna let you get the chance.
Oh, I like this movie. Beloved.
What was it about?
Slavery. This is what I do with my life. I play The Sims. No, but I recently just got back on The Sims. Because I finally just bought The Sims 4 after like years of not having it and it being out. And I like it. I mean, honestly, I still feel like Sims 3 is the best Sims. But so far, Sims 4 is not that bad. It just gets a little boring, so I just start creating like different kind of stories. So this girl who is a plant sim right now, she started out homeless and she literally had no house, $0, and then I made her a kleptomaniac, so she just like stole her way to success. She stole shit. And she was a gardener, because that's like the easiest way to get money in The Sims. You just make your sim become a gardener, and they get so much money from that. So look how much money this bitch got now. Like, if only life was like this. And she's just a plant sim right now for a couple of days because she ate the forbidden fruit and she turned into a plant. But yeah. This is her nice ass house. Okay, shorty did it all on her own. She don't need no man. She got a husband though, but she did it on her own. Okay. And this is her garden that I was talking about. She used to have way more like plants and stuff, but I just threw most of them away and, well, sold most of them and just kept all the ones that, you know, bring the most value, like the ones that cost the most. So, yeah, this is how she makes her money. But yeah, play The Sims for a couple of hours, and then I'll get onto some real shit later. Oh, it's so cold. I'm on my way to a brunch for Mickey's birthday brunch, because, you know, a bitch is about to turn 23 or whatever. So I just left church and I'm going to put my stuff down. I look kind of raggedy. My face looks nice, but my hair is not that cute. It's okay though. I'm still cute.
¿Quién quiere free champagne? Free champagne. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Única y solamente a la persona que celebra cumpleaños le voy a regalar los free shot, free shot, free shot, free shot. Pero tienen que venir aquí al medio a bailar conmigo antes de irme, antes de irme. Follow, 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 follow me. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Si te paras te doy los free shot. Whose birthday? 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 Free shot, free shot. Come on. Who's follow me? Who's follow me? Who's follow me? Follow, 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 follow. Marijuana, marijuana, please. Follow me, follow me. ¿Quién la sigue a ella? ¿Quién la sigue a ella? ¿Quién la sigue a ella? Follow, 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 follow. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Come on. Free shot, free shot, free shot. Make the line, make the line, make the line. Vamos, vamos. I say whose birthday, whose birthday, whose birthday, whose birthday. Una bulla lo que celebra el cumpleaños hoy. Happy birthday. Follow me. Ahí, ahí. Free shot, free shot, free shot, free shot, free shot, free shot. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Uy. guys gotta go.